Hello guys! Here is our update on my construction diary. Mag voice over muna tayo ngayon dahil super ingay ang mga rooster, hens, and other animals there. So si Jason, si Apam Kuson ay masasanay din yan dyan. So anyway, finally, they are slowly installing the trusses and soon to be the roof dahil medyo na-delay ang roofing materials since the materials are coming from a direct supplier in CDO, Cagayan de Oro. And the work is on and off guys dahil panay umuulan at delikado sa mga workers. Need to be safety first. Look at sila kuya. O, tingnan mo, walang safety gear. Yeah, chinilas lang. O, di ba? Only in the Philippines. So, tingnan mo sila. Napaka ingatan nyo kuya ang sarili nyo. So, that one guys is going to our carport. And then beside is our that's called service area, the dirty kitchen, and right now the workers, they are sleeping there, and that other door is heading towards the lanai, and then here is going to our kitchen, a clean kitchen, so because we don't cook any stinky fish there. So we are choosing open concept. So that area there is the living room, and the other side is the dining area. So, and then we also put a sliding door there, and then the other one is a big door. That's what is heading to our bedroom. So we choose the bedroom guys in the first floor. We are not getting younger anymore, so it's better we choose in the first floor. So and then we have a walk-in closet and in-suite bathroom. So that's one is heading towards upstairs, and beside it's the powder room and storage. And this one here is going upstairs, and the left side is our another common washroom. So yeah, my window dyan at my another that one there is not done yet. We need two more hollow blocks. That area, that window is a glass window also, so it's more brighter, have lights. And that in that area, that's the second bedroom, which is maybe kay Jasmine or kay Ate Nora when she's there. So but it's not done also, the hollow blocks. And in this side is the family area. So and then the left side, that door is the third bedroom. Look at guys, look like a swimming pool. It's heavy rain, and then hindi pa natutuyo guys. So that's a big window. It's a glass window, soon to be installed also, but needs to be finishing first. So back to the family area, and then that side also, that door is going to the fourth bedroom. So maybe we can use that one for a guest room if we have a company in the house. So at least we have two extra bedrooms. And then back to that's kuya naghakot ng semento at what's that, sand. And then so that one there is the is the fourth bedroom. So another big window again, and installed soon. And then this one here is heading back to the family room and going to the terrace. Under the terrace is the yun ang carport namin dyan, so sa baba. And then that area there, maraming sako na puti, is our emergency exit door. So going downstairs. And then yun ang kabuuhan guys sa aming second floor. So hindi pa sila tapos dyan. So thank you guys for watching.